sausage in mine. I got Euro and you got orange. What's that thunder called?
Thunder.
I'll call him Bully. Sally. Hello. Sally.
Sally the Thunder.
Hello. I've got to say hello to him. So you can watch that. Say hello. Say hello then.
I'm not going to sit here and have a conversation with Thunder.
Look, here's some.
Get louder, you bugger.
Oh, see that lightning?
Oh, I saw that.
With how angered it. That one up.
I start doing the fucking rain dance in a minute. I'm like, rain! That's it, that's it. That's the thunder we want. Loud thunder. Not this greatest shit.
Watch that birdie get electrocuted. That'll be well funny. They're in the garden and
I like the way
watch
they
the
fly without flapping their fucking wings. It's like a peregrine falcon. The fastest creature in the world.
This wall is really warm.
Hot bricks. It sounds like thunder sound effects you get in films.
Look what? Say hello to Sally.
He was saying when the Truman showed up.
Say hello to Sally Thunder.
No,
It's not
no,
Sally Fun. It's raining now. So every time you call it Sally, you piss it off a lot.
Oh, that one was groovy.
However,
Where is the lightning? It's not out back here.
it's in the sky.
Yeah, it's not out back here. Well, I see it's not out back here.
Do you know lightning doesn't just come downwards, it goes upwards as well?
Go a long ways. And just go down, it goes sideways, no?
No, I mean like it goes upwards. If you there's this Pokemon there's in a plane above the lower clouds, and before you get your flash downwards, you get flash upwards, and it's like constantly like fork lightning.
Oh.
And what you call it lightning? The one that just comes straight down on its own.
Fine, yes.
Yeah, we're going to get sat here before we move.
Jess ain't dumb.
It's raining.
Neither am I. Anyway.
Fuck me. Ah, fly down my back.
No, I don't know how far it's going to come in, that wooden thing,
It's
though.
going that way. Well, this brings back memories. Being stood in a tunnel in a thunderstorm. Hey. Welcome. Welcome to Thunderstorm 3. So shush. Welcome to Thunderstorm 3.
Okay, no, Jeff.
I haven't done a thunderstorm video in a while. Just on YouTube. It's all quiet enough.
It isn't quiet enough.
You need to shut them out.
Oh, that looks nice. That actually looks quite cool for me.
Oh, it's still raining there. Don't go out, Jess. Don't go out, Jess. Get in. It's still raining.
It's actually a nice image.
Oh, it's raining again, Jess.
It's been raining the whole time.
No, it stopped out back.
Stop that at the front as well. Well, didn't we have a lot of rain?
Oh shit.
Everything echoes in this tunnel. Stop swearing.
I'm not.
What? You just said oh shit. I heard you.
It's not a swear word, it's oh shit.
Wow, it echoes down this tunnel well. So imagine being down here in the middle of the night, like I was in the video. Everything's black. Half the street lights aren't on. And then you just get a flash of lightning as you turn around.
Got a bit in your ear.
Of course, the weather in Boston has never really been that good, so yeah, guess a thunderstorm's alright, innit? Next change, really. Of course, I bet shitloads of people complaining there's a thunderstorm now. Shh. Yeah. And all these people complaining that it's been too sunny, but they're now complaining that it's a fucking thunderstorm.
You see it over there, that dark cloud and the light cloud.
You mean those clouds?
Thunder's right up here, so I guess.
Thunder's everywhere, man. It's not localised.
It sounds like a lot of water.
Hey? Of course. Nan would now be under the table with the telly off. Hi, Mum. A rainbow? I can't fucking see one. Hi. God, never got so much attention from a small amount of children. I'm recording. Hi, Mum. Oh, I'll put this on wet tube. Just flashes for. You've got.
Two flashes. They're not really. You can't really tell if they're a snake or anything. They're that fucking quick. You don't have time to see them.
Snake?
No, I said, don't know if it's snake, fog, whatever it is.
Snake? Snake lightning? That's sheep lightning in my.
No, I thought it's snake lightning.
Snake lightning.
It looks like a snake.
It just flashes. It's fucking rubbish. Ha!
Oh, do you see it? Flash over there then.
It's flash out here as well.
So I see it round this bit over here.
I think we've got 2 storms.
Oh, raining again.
I think we have 2 storms.
Okay, yeah. Don't go out for videos because you get wet.
No.
Come here. Don't go for what? Is there? Oh, it's cold. Don't go for the feet.
So the rain's coming straight down at you. What's it like at the front?
Oh, did you see that flash? Yeah, after you were looking around, you missed it. Pay attention, look. Since you've gone down, it's not going to be able.
Bet I'll make this fucking barbecue stop.
No.
That's a long rumble of thunder. Hey? See you in part 2.